Hello everyone and welcome to the YouTube channel of Amrapali Group of Institutes. I am Vasundhara, BBA second year student, and today we have a very special guest with us, Mr. Aman Shah. Sir, we welcome you here.
Thank you.
So we have few questions for Mr. Aman Shah. Sir,
Yes.
my first question for you is, you are working as a chartered accountant and company secretary in an MNC, in a very good MNC. So what were your education, qualification and your schooling and what you did after that?
Yes, thank you. So my schooling is from Beersheba School, Haldwani itself, and after doing that I went to the Delhi University for the BCom Honours graduate. It was a regular college. Then I simultaneously pursued a chartered accountancy course and the company secretaryship.
Okay, sir.
And after that onwards, I joined the multinational companies, and presently after the post qualification, I did currently I'm working with an MNC. So my post that.
Okay, sir. So, sir, you are both CA and CS.
Yeah.
So, it would have been very tough and challenging for you. So, would you like to please share what were the difficulties you faced?
Very good question you have asked that, because that I did CA and CS both. So most of have the perception that it's a very difficult course and how I'm making a balance between both the two courses. Okay. So I just want to tell you that if you go before pursuing any course, you have to go and deep down that what's the content of the course. So I found that both the courses have a similarities. So that is only the 10 or the 20% is an extra, which is a different from the CA and the CS, but 80% or the 75% of the course are the same. So I take that challenge on that part because I want to be both the CA and CS that time. So my aspiration was that. So I checked that. So I face sometimes the difficulties because both the examinations falls in the month of May and June, and the second semester goes to that November and the December. So main difficulty I found that to balance between that to write the exams, because first I write an exams in the May, then the June, and then the November and the December. Okay. So that was a very hectic that time. So for the preparation part, but yes, the course is very fabulous. If you go into that, read it out the content, it's a more of the practical based course, and okay. So it's a very interesting as well. Okay. So difficulty is just to balance between the examination point. So sometimes I thought that might be that the dates cannot be clashed. So but when I see that, so there will be some gap in between the papers that. So but yes, the challenge is only that.
Okay, so we had a great experience having you here, but I would like to ask you, how was your experience at our college? It's
a fabulous and the fantastic. So it's the first time I'm at Amrapali College, so I feel privileged and honored, and I thanks to the staff and the managements and the students. And I saw that the students during my session, they're very interactive, they are very participating as well. So wonderful experience, and I must say that they all are very excellent in their fields, definitely in the future.
So would you like to quote few inspirational words for the students of this college who are currently studying here and want to pursue this as their careers?
Yeah. So first is that my message to the students that the first step they have taken that to take an admission in the Amrapali College, it's a bright step and a very fantastic and a right step. That is the one thing. And for the future, I must say that currently there is no scope for the general kind of awareness like that. So I must say to the students that whatever you are doing, you have to be an excel in your field, whether you be a commerce, science, graduate, whatever you have to do, but make sure that end to end you have to study it out, deep down study. Don't like that just to scroll the papers and just to pass an examination. Passing of examination is a very easy part, but it will not give you an advantage or an added advantage for your future. So whatever you are reading and whatever you are doing, do it like that. It is your passion kind of thing with the dedication and the commitment, so that it will give a good fruit for the future as well. So that is my message. Okay.
Thanks a lot for sparing your few minutes of important time, sir. It was a pleasure having you here.
Thank you so much.
Thank you everyone for watching this video. Have a great day.